expecting to have my friends over. We have a good time. They get to taste my cooking.
4 celebrities.
I hope they like what I cook, especially since I'm doing something different.
Andrew does not like cooking. So it's good news to hear that she's in the kitchen.
I could enjoy my meal and I win this too.
4 dinner parties.
Curry goat is something I like to make all the time. It's pretty easy and quite tasty. It's West Indian cuisine. So yes, they won't see that coming.
It wasn't curry goat, not what I know of as curry goat.
The cook did very good. I don't know who taught her. She went home to get, I'm sure she got recipes and stuff. She didn't do this all by herself.
Nina gave me BBnaija. It's cold. The egusi is dry.
And 1 winner. Come Chop With Me Naija premieres on Thursday 16th of August 2018 on Silverbird